friends, I'm Jessie Jacob and today I'm going to teach you descriptive types of research. The major purpose of descriptive research is description of the state of affairs as it exists at the present by collecting, correlating, comparing data. The term descriptive research refers to the type of research question, design and data analysis that will be applied to a given topic. Descriptive research can be either quantitative or qualitative. It involves gathering data that describe events and then organizes, tabulates, depicts and describes the data collection. It often uses visual aids such as graphs and charts or aid the reader in understanding the data distribution. Because the human mind cannot extract the full length of a large quantity of raw data, descriptive statistics are very important in reducing the data to manageable form. Three main purposes of research are to describe, explain and validate findings. The descriptive function of research is heavily dependent on instrumentation for measurement and observation. Descriptive studies can yield rich data that lead to important recommendations. On the other hand, descriptive research can be misused by those who do not understand its purpose and limitations. For example, one cannot try to draw conclusions that show cause and effect because that is beyond the bounds of statistics employed. The major purpose of descriptive research is description of the state of affairs as it exists at present.